What's good, YouTube? It's your boy FS Ranky, and I'm super excited to welcome you all into today's video. So guys, this is this very second episode of the series I started called Let's Talk Forex. And in the last time, in our last series, or in the last episode rather, I spoke about the pairs I was looking at, which was CAD JPY and GBPUSD. And so far the pairs have played out to some extent, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how the trades later, or the pairs later, turned out. And I'm also going to be showing you guys, more importantly, what I'm going to be looking out forward for next week, and the pairs I'm going to be looking out for, and trades I'm going to be taking, and how I'm going to be taking the trades, the whole coordinate, the SL, the take profit one, the full TP, and all of that. And today, this next week pairs are looking really juicy. So without wasting your time, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, I would love you guys to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification icon so you can be among the first people to watch my videos. And that's it, guys. Let's dive right into the chat right now. Let's go. What's good, YouTube? Welcome inside my screen, and we'll just be quickly going over the pairs that we are going to be looking at today. And firstly, I want to go over the pairs that I called out the last time, and show you guys how those pairs are moving now. And I just want to be as transparent as possible. So the first pair that I called out was CAD JPY, but let's start with GBPUSD first. So now on GBPUSD, what can we see for GBPUSD? This was the trade we called out. The last time, and as you can see, the trade hit SL after going a bit in profit. So this was the trade. The trade hit SL. So GBPUSD hit SL. Well, I kind of figured out why that happened, because whenever you make losses in the market, you need to know why that loss happened. And if it's something you cannot really figure out, then you just let it be. But this loss, I know what happened. But I'll be going over that in a moment. I just want to show you guys the pairs that I'm looking out for this week. Let's start with GBPUSD, since we're already here. So now on GBPUSD, the reason why let's go to the weekly. I'm going to be as quick as possible. I don't want this video to be long. The reason why I figured out the reason why this pair hit our SL was because that was not just the level that I'm supposed to be marked as my area of interest. Why did I say that? Because I was even doubting myself. Like, I saw this level at first, but I was telling myself, no, this level is not going to come, because the other level has a lot of confluence. But at the end of the day, you have to go for a level that is stronger, and this level is just stronger because this is a level that is respected on the weekly. Excuse me. This is a level that is respected on the weekly. Why is it respected on the weekly? You can see this market move here. You can see this move here. You can see the market held here. It held here. Market now finally broke out. Where are you expecting the market to come back to? It's supposed to come back here before it drops. So that was what I was looking at first, but I was like, this cannot be possible, right? Let's just go for the obvious level, and the level everybody is talking about, which is something I advise none of you to do. So seeing that, now I've come back to reanalyze, and I've seen that GBPUSD, this is the final level, and if this level doesn't work out, then it's fine. I'm no longer interested in trading GBPUSD. I've already traded the pair twice, one win, one loss. So if this one turns out to be a loss, it will be 2-1, and then I'm done. But at the end of the day, the win is still bigger than the loss. So that's what we are always watching in the market. So now, what can we see here? If we place our Fibonacci from swing high, overall swing high, to overall swing low, you can see that GBPUSD is in this 0.50 level now, or 0.5 level now, and it's a bit risky. I'm not going to lie, come here and tell you it's not a bit risky. It's a bit risky, but I think it's something I will be doing. I'll be taking this trade when the market opens on Monday, and these are the whole coordinates for the trades. So this is where my take profit is going to be, and I'll just take the trade. I feel like market is going to do something like this and then drop, or if it does that, it's fine. I'll not be trading the pair, I'll be out.
but this is what I'm expecting. Let's go to the second pair. So what's good, guys? So this is the second pair, which is CAD JPY, and I call this which is Euro GBP. I'm calling this one out here now. So Euro GBP, if we go to the weekly, I don't want to come on here and be doing long talks. I just want to tell you guys what I'm seeing in the market. I'm not going to give all the whole detailed explanation and all of that. So what are we seeing here? We've seen that market has gotten higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low. Maybe market wants to do this, maybe, because this is also a level here. But how do we take advantage of this market? How do we know if market wants to turn over to the downside or wants to hit here and continue going up and up and up and all of that? Firstly, what is the monthly telling us concerning chart pattern or candlestick pattern? Now if we go to the monthly, this is what the monthly is telling us. The monthly is giving us an evening star pattern. The monthly is giving us an evening star pattern here, which is in a way telling us that this market might want to start dropping, but we cannot really be certain about that. Why? We've not really seen how everything is going to, how other time frames align with what the monthly is saying. So you see the weekly is aligning perfectly for a weekly retracement, which is what I'm seeing. But this is what I'm actually looking for. If this market has created the head and shoulders already, so if this market breaks out of this trend line that is holding it, make a retracement back into this level here, which is very strong, then we are going to be selling. But if we don't see that, I'm going to be waiting for something like this, just a confirmation to tell us that this market wants to start going back up. So if it has to give us a very solid confirmation to tell us the market is going back up, maybe a daily bullish candle will be enough and okay for that. But this is what I'm looking at on Euro GBP. Something like this, market retrace into here, drops, or market creates a confirmation around here, we buy up to this point. So I feel like GBP still needs time to play out. So I'm going to be talking more about this in like subsequent videos and all of that. But yeah, this is my GBP. So now the last pair, which is the one I want to show you guys about, the one CAD JPY I spoke about on the last time I was here. So if we go to CAD JPY, what are we seeing in CAD JPY? Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So we can see here that CAD JPY is doing really well. This is already a winning trade. We've taken out half 50% of our account and we are fine with this trade. So if this trade turns out to go to our SL, we won't complain because we've already eaten out of the trade, which is why I love setting my break even and my take profit one. So that is that for CAD JPY. As you can see, I adjusted the take profit from here, from around here now to this point. Why? Because I checked my trade management strategy and I saw that my trade management strategy is not to take my set unrealistic take profits. Basically, the target for my trade management is to just mark out where the market might likely turn over next, and this is the point here. So I don't mind taking a 1:4 out of this trade, as opposed to coming all the way to like 1:6 and then turning over to go and hit my break even. That would be sad. So I just set it here. If market decides to break above, retrace, and then go up, we are going to be taking another buy from here. So this is CAD JPY. CAD JPY is going really well. We are up 2%. We are up 2R on the trade. GBP USD was a failed trade. It hit our SL, and then another pair we are looking at is Euro GBP. So now I also have something I want to show you guys on USD. I think USD JPY. So now USD JPY, this trade I really don't feel like taking it, but we might end up taking the trade. But really, if you want to take the trade, it's fine. I don't have anything against the trade. I don't feel like I'm going to be trading this pair. But it's really playing out really nicely. You can take a buy from here. So you heard it first from Rankings Radio. You can take a buy from here on USD JPY to go up, and you will be smiling at the end of the day, because this is a very perfect counter trend line fib level, and if you also add like maybe a trend line, if you also add like maybe you also add trend line, maybe it aligns. So USD JPY is definitely a pair you should be looking to trade. So you should be looking to trade. These are the coordinates for the trades. Make it clearer. So these are the coordinates for the trades. Looking to take the trade on Monday. So we have USD JPY, GBP USD, and Euro GBP for next week. So I hope you all, I'm recording this video early in the morning around 4 a.m. That's why my voice is a bit low, although I'm using my earpiece to record now, but in a few weeks I'm going to be getting a microphone for better audio quality. So these are the pairs I'm looking out for. I'm already way above time I set for myself, and I'm going to see you guys in my other screen. Let's go.
What's good, guys? So we've come to the end of today's video, and as I promised, the two pairs we are looking, or rather the three pairs we are looking at, are super juicy. But unfortunately or fortunately, we are going to be taking only two out of the three pairs that I showed you guys, and it's going to be, I have a strong feeling it's going to be GBP USD and USD JPY. Why? Because Euro GBP looks like it's going to take like a week more to give us the perfect entry and all of that. So we don't want to rush it. We want to milk it like at the perfect entry and all of those stuff. So yeah, we've come to the end of the video. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, so you should anticipate my next video coming out. But yeah, that's all. Do well to like, subscribe, turn on post notification, comment what you want me to post next, and ideas that could help my channel grow and all of that stuff. But until next time, I'm going to see you guys.